Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In this tech tutorial, we're going to show you how you can create milestones for your tasks and projects on Monday.com. So let us get started. Head over to Monday.com, log into your account and select your workspace on the left panel. After that, select your project or board on the left panel. So let me go with that wedding planner. And here to the right, you will see your project listed as a table or a list like that. So what I recommend to do, guys, is to view your tasks and groups not in a table or a list like that, but in a Gantt view. You may switch between views here at the top. If you don't see Gantt, simply click on that plus icon and add the Gantt view here. And that's basically it. Switch to it. And after that, you will see all of your tasks and groups in your project or board listed in Gantt view. So this is how you can convert tasks into milestones. What you want to do is click into the given task and click onto that arrow down icon next to it and click into set remove milestone, just like that. And if you see that square icon here or that symbol, it will indicate that the given task has been converted from a task into a milestone. So you now may, for example, move that milestone here along your timeline, like for example set a due date like, I don't know, July 1st and something like that. So that's basically it. You may also edit your task by clicking on that arrow down icon again and by clicking into edit task here and set a due date, for example, a status, assign a group, set a timeline, and so on and so forth. And last but not least, guys, if you'd like to remove the milestone because, I don't know, it has been achieved, or if you'd like to convert it back to a task, simply click on that arrow down icon again and click into remove milestone. And that is going to convert the milestone again back into a simple task. And that's it. That's how it works, guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video, got some value from it, and we'll catch you later.